Welcome to our demonstrational series. Today, we'll be giving you some tips and advice on how to bath your baby. Let's start by testing the temperature of the bath water. A quick and easy way to do this is by using your elbow. If your elbow feels warm, the bath temperature is good for your baby. However, if you prefer, you can use a bath thermometer. You want to aim for a temperature of 37 Celsius. Now it's bath time. Gently lower your baby into the water, allowing them a little time to adjust to the temperature. Dip cotton wool into the water, make sure it doesn't get too wet, and wipe gently around your baby's eyes from the nose outward, using a fresh piece of cotton wool for each eye. Using a flannel, clean all around their face, paying special attention to behind their ears and around their neck. Use a clean flannel to gently clean baby's body, making sure to get in between their fingers and toes and inside of all of their little creases and folds. To clean baby's back, gently bring them forward whilst supporting their head. Now it's time to get them dry. You'll want to get baby out of the bath and wrapped up as soon as possible, as they can get cold quickly. Once they are all wrapped up in a clean, dry towel, pat them dry carefully, paying particular attention to any skin folds. And that's how you bath your baby. We really hope your little one enjoyed their bath, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. For more demonstrational videos and helpful parenting tips, make sure to subscribe to the Mothercare YouTube channel.